Hey guys, it's Sadie, and obviously I am not in my room right now. I'm actually on a little trip to Nova Scotia, Cape Breton, because this is where like half of my family lives. I got a lot of questions on that because I thought that you guys knew that, but maybe some of my new subscribers like don't know that my mom's side of my family lives in Cape Breton. It's kind of hard to find a place in my grandma's house to film, so I'm filming outside. And you guys are probably gonna hear a lot of birds, a lot of cars, and stuff like that, but I'm so sorry. I really wanted to still upload for you guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a how to have shut up, oh my god. Today I'm gonna be filming a how to have the best school year ever. Everyone wants to have the best school year ever. This is actually my last year of high school and I'm so excited. Like, I know that this year is going to be the best year ever and everyone always says that it is. If you guys want to have a productive and nice and positive school experience this year, then these are some things that you guys can do. These are some of my best tips and they're like genuine and honest and they're stuff that you can actually do to make your year better. So if we just want to get right into it, that would be pretty cool. Okay, the first thing is to not overbuy school supplies. I feel like a lot of people nowadays, they just go out and literally buy like everything and like stuff that they won't even use. And when you do that, you basically just like create all this clutter in your bag and it just like starts you off on a messy note from the beginning. Also, you usually just get a page with all the stuff that you need to get for school from your teachers on the first day anyways, and usually it's like completely different, so then you wasted time and money and space in your bag with stuff that you didn't even need. So I would just suggest not overbuying, just buy the essentials and then buy the rest when you get that sheet that says everything that you need. The next thing, I know that skincare is very important to us teens, okay? We like to have glowy, perfect, blemish-free skin, and I know that when I have blemish-free skin, I'm so much more confident and I'm just like happier in general. So for school this year, I suggest that you guys find a skincare routine that really works for you. I know that you guys are going to be up late because that's what high schoolers do nowadays. So I feel like having a skincare routine that works but is also short is so important because like you want to take off your makeup every single day and you want to do your skincare every single day, but you don't want to have like 7 different products that you do every single night because then it's just gonna make you have less sleep, you know what I mean? And that's perfect, so you can get a lot of sleep and still have your skin be the best it can be. There's someone pulling into their driveway. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. There's someone pulling into their driveway right now and I don't know what to do and they're staring right at me. Hi. We have officially moved to the most boring background I've ever had in a video. I'm so sorry about this. There were these people who came and like were trying to fix their like tractor thing. I don't even know what it was, but they were just like talking and then they were literally right there. If I started talking, they would be listening to everything that I was saying. I'm so sorry guys, like I don't like this background. I'm sorry, I will get better. Like you guys will have great videos after this. But this thing I can't stress enough, and it is to make playlists for every single high school thing you have to do. I don't know if you guys know what I mean by that. Make a homework playlist, like while you're doing homework, like a chill study vibes playlist, a workout playlist. If you take the bus or if you drive to school, make an on the road playlist, getting ready playlist. Like there's so many playlist opportunities for school, and I feel like it just like enhances the quality of your day every day, you know? This next one is so obvious, but somehow as the school year goes on, we all tend to forget about it or just like get sucked into it, and it's to stay out of gossip and drama as much as you can. And I know that you guys probably don't even start the gossip, but don't even contribute to it. Like don't be present while it's happening. Be the one person who doesn't contribute to drama and gossip and talking about other people behind their back. This will make you trustworthy. This will make you likable to other people. You don't want to spend your time talking about other people's lives. Like live your own happy life. Don't be jealous of others. Like lift other people up because you know that the vibes that you're sending out are the vibes that you're gonna get back. It's the worst and it makes you stress. Like you guys probably don't know this about me, but here's a little fun fact. When I have problems with my friends or drama, which doesn't happen literally often at all, but when I am in a kind of dramatic situation with people, like I don't have an appetite, I am just sad because I just hate drama and gossip so much. Like my mind is occupied by it and I can't really think about anything else. I'm like shaking, like it's bad. So just relieve yourself of that stress and don't contribute, don't participate, and you'll be so much happier. This next one is so simple, but get a bag that actually fits your stuff. Don't bring this tiny little like purse to school and put like a pencil in it. I don't understand how people do that. Get a bag that'll actually fit everything that you need every single day, because I know it's kind of trendy to have a cute little like purse or a cute little like tiny 1 centimeter square backpack, but just don't do it. This next one I find really important, and it's kind of looked past, I feel like, by many high schoolers, and that's to make it a point to start off your day on a positive note. Really understand yourself. Like, are you actually going to wake up early, pick out a good outfit, have time for breakfast, and to get ready and do whatever you want and then leave? Or should you get that stuff ready the night before and then be way happier in the morning and get to listen to your music and take your time and stuff? Just understand what you want to do and what you know you're going to be like in the morning. Make sure that every single day you do something in the morning that makes you happy or relaxed. Make sure that you make a point to have good mornings. So this is kind of a personal one, but I just wanted to put it out there, and that's to start using your laptop for taking notes. I love using my laptop. I just started using it last year for notes. I would say especially for like English or like humanities courses where it's not really a lot of numbers, it's just like words. I loved using my laptop. I type so much faster and it's way more organized and like concise, and everything is the same, and it's way neater than like scribbling on a page and then maybe having to redo it when you get home. If it's something that you like, but if you can't really think of what you're typing and listen to the teacher at the same time, then don't do that. But for me, it has really helped. Along with that, it's so much easier to organize my stuff in like my laptop folders rather than physical folders, because it saves space in my bag and it's so organized. I just know that everything I need is like right on my laptop. You guys know I'm a big advocate of law of attraction, and law of attraction can fit into any single situation in your life, but I think it's super important for high schoolers to know this, and that law of attraction can literally change your high school experience so much. For example, look up positive affirmations. So if you wake up and have a morning affirmation that you say every single day, it's going to attract positive things into your life. For stressful times like tests and stuff, I have looked up a couple of positive affirmations you guys can say, and make sure that you're actually believing them. Don't just say them and be like, yeah, okay, blah, blah. You need to say them and believe them, and then they will come true, because once you start believing them, you're on the same vibration as that circumstance and it'll attract you. For example, if you're about to take a test, you can say, I am prepared for my tests. I love taking tests. Tests are a breeze for me. Or you can say, I am a great student and I'm getting better each and every day. Repeating that over and over, you can write it down, you can repeat it in your head, you can say it out loud, set it as your lock screen, like anything you guys can do to keep that inside your head. It's going to change your life and it's amazing. And last but not least, I get a lot of questions asking how to make friends and how to create a circle that you're really happy with and how to kind of put yourself out there. And I know in high school it's super hard because there are already a lot of like pre-made cliques, but a lot of you guys ask me, I'm shy and I don't know how to meet new people because I'm scared of putting myself out there. I know that I don't know exactly what it feels like. I don't know exactly what you guys are going through. I'm not going to pretend like I do, because I feel like I'm a pretty extroverted person and I'm different, I guess, but there's nothing wrong with being shy. Even though I don't completely understand what you're going through, I can still try to help you guys. Some things that you can do every day that will attract people to you instead of you going up to other people are smiling often and looking approachable. Like if you're literally like this on your phone, hood up, hat on, not showing your face, like not looking at anyone, no one's gonna really want to come up and like start a conversation. Making eye contact with people is so overlooked. I feel like when you don't make eye contact, it kind of makes the situation awkward. It makes people feel like you're uncomfortable to talk to them. So don't be afraid of making eye contact with people. It means that you're engaged and you're interested in what they have to say and you're interested in the conversation, and it's all in all a good time. Small social interactions every single day are going to make a huge difference. You don't have to literally go out to a completely new person and start this whole new conversation. You don't have to. Just ask someone for help for something or compliment someone. Hold the door open for someone. Just tiny little interactions every single day. If you guys can push yourself to do that, I feel it'll make a huge difference in making friends. And that's gonna be it for this video. I'm so sorry for the background and the quality of this video, but I hope that you guys could still get some tips from this. I want you guys to have the best year ever. Leave me down below what you are most excited for this school year. If you have any more tips, let's just share them in the description. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, and thank you